Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today has been an eventful day. It's Friday, so TGIF for me. I added a lash for you guys and it's kind of poking me a little bit, so I'm about to rip it off in 2.5 seconds. Also, we went to go meet a litter of dogs today in person and I'm obsessed and I can't stop thinking about this one particular one. We already have a name. I have an Amazon cart full of goodies to purchase for this dog, like $700 worth of stuff to purchase, food, snacks. Anyways, so today I've teamed up with UNICE. They sent over this gorgeous kinky straight lace wig. She is a 7x5 by knots lace wig in the length 24 inches, and then she comes with this natural baby hair along the hairline. I did a quick and simple easy glueless install. Very easy, very simple to follow along with. We did kind of play with the baby hair, but these are supposed to be natural, so they're not necessarily bonded down. You can for sure customize them to your liking. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Of course, you can find this beautiful girl linked down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, it's time to get cute. It's Friday. Y'all know what time it is. But first, let me go ahead and switch out my wig cap. I'm not sure if it's gonna make a huge difference. I like this color and how it shows through the lace, but it is rusty and crusty and dusty and it has had his time. So let's put on the fresh one and we can get started. Okay, next up, you can take some edge control. Edge booster has been my go-to lately, but I have not been putting the cap on it, so it is for sure drying out. And so instead of buying a new one, I'm gonna go into my inventory and grab me one from bedeckbeauty.com because I haven't been grabbing my own lately. As I've been saying, I've just been using other brands, and I think that in conclusion, what I discovered is I really like my products more than a lot of products. I just have to perfect my mousse. The mousse is where I'm picky about my mousse. I like all mousses, but I'm picky about my mousse. Anyways, let's get started on today's video. We're going with UNICE, one of my favorite companies to work with. And it looks like we're going like a kinky Yaki vibe, which is really exciting because I feel like a lot of the times in person I get the most compliments on like my curly wigs and Yaki texture. So I love that nice rich natural brown. It's like a natural brown, natural black color. It's nice and full, super long and Yaki. Absolutely gorgeous. And then it is a pre-everything with some natural baby hair. But you have that natural edge, kinky, curly, natural coily baby hair. Here is a look at the hairline and then the inside construction of the cap. As always, we like to do a pre-everything wig, and these are my favorite. I get spoiled by these wigs, and look at that scallop cut. That with the baby hair is going to be really nice once we go ahead and style it. The nape and then also the adjustable elastic band. Let's go ahead and adjust this elastic band, adjust the straps, and then go ahead and put her on. And this is what she looks like on. And see, I went ahead and changed my wig cap, and look, I hate it. I should have just kept my little raggedy one on because I have a bunch, but I don't have any of the good chocolate brown that I really like. So all of them are giving too light, and I don't have I can't find, I know it's here, my brush, my little kabuki brush. So I'm gonna try and pack this in right here. It's gonna take a little minute. And then take it back into what would be potentially the parting. And you can for sure do better than this. I just have the wrong brush. And it still looks like, but we will correct that with edge control. I mean, lace tint on top. This is what she looks like on. Nice and long and full and silky. The hair is not see-through by any means. Here is what she looks like from the back. Here is what she looks like from the back. Here is a close-up of the hairline, and it's not gonna stay like this. This is just how it comes straight out of the box. We're gonna customize it, of course, to our liking. We got the center part going, and then also you can do a side part. And look at how beautiful that lace is. You guys can listen to some music. I'm going to pull the actual hair back, buck of the buck, and we can adjust it. I think I like it like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you flatten it out, a lot better. Now, a lot of people will leave it forward like this, but you guys know I like to like train the hair to go backwards in the front. Like you have the hairline and the baby hair, but the hair behind it kind of like snatch it up, and that's how you get that snatch look from the hairline. So let's go ahead and do that. And when I do this, sometimes, especially with like yakier textures, I tend to add a little bit of hairspray, and that is really what gives it the look. Like you see I'm going like backwards in a way, opposed to like having everything come forward. I don't know, I like the way that looks better. So for that, I am going to use, we can use shapers. And it kind of adds a little freeze, a little hold, if you will. You turn it to go backwards like that versus that, and then you press it out. So with this one I didn't add the spray, and this one that I did, it kind of has a little bit more like hold. It's like more snatched, if you will. So I'm going to add a little hairspray to this one and then redo it because I forgot. Look at my baby. Isn't he so cute? We haven't gotten him yet, but I think we're going to get him. Okay, so this is where we are. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a quick little tweeze. Not too much to like the baby hair, but like you said, this one is a little bit thicker. Of course, we want to thin that out a little bit because you kind of want it to give a natural like length and fullness. And now let's go in and just lightly tweeze out this part. I'm gonna hold this down because we haven't bonded it down, but also I don't want to accidentally pull this. And we're just gonna like tweeze against the grain like this. Okay, I love bugs. So I'm pretty much done with this look. Fast forward, it's 8:42, dang near 9 o'clock. I'm kind of craving Chipotle. We haven't eaten dinner. It's really late to eat dinner, but I came home and kind of crashed. But this is the finished look, and then this is the hairline. Feel free to do your hairline as you please. I feel like when it comes to the kinky or natural edges, you definitely can play it up how you want. So this here is the packaging from UNICE as always, and when you open it up, I do have the little baggie. So this one is a 7x5 by knots lace wig, and then it is 24 inches in length. Any additional details are listed in the description box. And then we got like a case or book or strip of the wig tape. Each one of these is a individual one, so you can peel and stick, and it's double-sided to be able to literally like bond your wig down. You also got the UNICE HD wig caps, which you can find exclusively on UNICE's website. And then also we get a pink melt belt as well as a press-on nails. So this one was simple, easy, hands down, like 5-minute install. Once you go ahead and melt the lace, you just play with the hairline. I added a little bit of extra time by opening up the parting, but I really didn't do too much because you guys know I don't like to over pluck because the hair is naturally going to thin out over time on its own. So if you do want your wig to last a long time, be careful when it comes to tweezing the hairline. But of course we want the snatch, so find that good happy medium. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. I have a direct link as well as all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.